Hi everyone, it's Teacher Ophelia from Penny Pumpernickel Pants Play Care. Today we're going to be reading a book together about the Earth. It's called I Can Save the Earth by Little Green Books. So get comfy and let's read. Here we go. Max the little monster liked to fling candy wrappers. He left a trail of trash wherever he went. Whee! Said Max. Max the little monster did not like to give away his old toys, even when he'd outgrown them. Mine! Cried Max. Max the little monster liked to overflow the sink and the bathtub and clog the toilet. Hungry toilet, said Max. Max the little monster left the lights on and blared the TV even when he wasn't in the room. No big whoop, said Max. Then one night in the middle of his favorite program, something unexpected happened. The lights went out and the TV went out. There had been a blackout. Hey, shouted Max, who turned out the lights? Max tripped over some old toys and stumbled outside to see what was wrong. Max looked around. He saw a full moon as it shone brightly on the colorful spring flowers. We heard the crickets chirp and the owl hoot. He even saw a shooting star as it twinkled across the night sky. Wow, said Max, this is so beautiful. When the lights came back on, Max the little monster felt something new. He began to notice things that he hadn't noticed before. In the summer, Max the little monster went to the beach and noticed the pretty shells. He wiggled his toes in the sand and he watched the sun sparkle on the waves. He saw a dolphin leap out from the water. Max picked up an old bottle and an ice cream wrapper and threw them into the trash can. Pollution makes the beach look ugly, said Max, and pollution can hurt animals and plants. In autumn, Max the little monster noticed the colorful leaves, red and orange and yellow. He jumped in leaf piles with his friends. Leaves so pretty! And more fun to play with than watching TV, cried Max. After they jumped in the leaves, Max the little monster didn't want to leave a mess, so he composted the leaves. Rotten leaves help the dirt grow happy flowers, said Max. In winter, Max the little monster noticed the wonder of snowflakes. Each delicate snowflake looked like a crystal jewel. He made a T-Rex, an igloo, and a snow angel. Why didn't I see this before? Wondered Max. The earth is beautiful. Now Max the little monster never wastes water. More water, more snowflakes, said Max, and he doesn't waste toilet paper. Happy monster, happy toilet, happy earth, said Max. Now Max the little monster never wastes electricity. He turns off lights, except for the ones he's using. He hardly ever watches TV, but when he does, he turns it off when the program is over. Let's play outside, said Max. Fresh air feels good on my fur. Now Max the little monster never litters. He recycles. He recycles any paper, aluminum cans, and plastic bottles he uses. Max also likes to eat fresh fruits instead of candy and drink water instead of soda pop. Tasty, said Max, and he always throws his trash away in the right bin. Max the little monster even has yard sales where he sells his old toys. Max also trades his toys with his friends. Wow, said Max, old toys I've never played with before just because it's fun as new toys. Now Max the little monster loves the earth. He reduces the amount of water and energy he uses. He finds a way to reuse as many things as he can, and he recycles his trash. Sometimes he even hugs trees. Max the little monster is now called Max the little green monster. You can be a little green monster too and help save the earth. Max the little green monster's new words. Blackout. Do you know what a blackout blackout is? A blackout is a power failure when the electricity goes out. Compost. Do you know what compost means? Compost is a mixture of rotted leaves and plants or vegetables that can be used in a garden to give nutrition to growing plants. How about electricity? It's the power used to make things like televisions, lights, and computers work. Green. That's a word used to describe someone who is kind to the earth and protects it from harm. Litter. Do you know what litter is? Litter is to throw garbage away in places it does not belong, like on the ground or out a car window. That's very silly and very inconsiderate. Instead, let's put our litter in the right bin. Pollution, things that make the environment dirty, like garbage, chemicals, or gases. To recycle, we all know what recycling is. It's to use trash to make new things. To reduce is to use less of something like paper or electricity. And to reuse is to use something again in a different way instead of throwing it away. Thanks for being here today. I had fun reading with you. Until next time.